If you haven't cleaned your dryer lint out lately, you've got to watch this video. This is so dangerous and this tool is so cool. All right, so this is the thing that I'm using to clean out the dryer vent. You can get it on Amazon. I'll leave a link to the product in the description below. All right, first thing we're gonna pull this dryer out. Yeah, they like to keep it clean here. Yeah, this has fire hazard written all over it. Oh my God. Yeah. We're gonna clean you today. Okay, let's see if it's as easy as this. You just screw all these things together to make a really long stick. This would be a great poking stick, like from Friends with Ugly Naked Guy. Just screw the brush side into one end and the other side into your drill, and here we go. Oh gosh, look at that. Oh my God. I should have a dust mask on. And then here it is from the outside. I guess this is to route it away from the AC unit so the lint doesn't get caught up in there. And y'all, just look at all of this lint that has come out of this thing. Oh my gosh, I probably put it in there maybe 10, 15 times, and it just kept on coming. So just go all the way until it goes in, all the way through, and then just do that a couple more times until it's completely clear. And look at all of this that came out of there. Then vacuum it up, and you can also vacuum the back of this. You're gonna you could take off the back of this too if you want to. There's a lot that's in here too. Just vacuum that up and then reconnect your vent hose. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.